Welcome to the Pacific Echo. For this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pythagorean equation in a given problem. So here we have our problem statement here. A builder wants to make a perfect right angle corner for a structure right here. He measures 3 meters along one side and 4 meters along the other side. To make so the corner is exactly 90 degrees, he connects the 2 ends with a rope here, right here. Alright, so the question is, what should be the length of the rope to form a perfect triangle? Alright, so in order to solve this, we are going to use the Pythagorean equation, and Pythagorean equation is a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. So we are going to use Pythagorean equation to solve this and to find the length of the rope that will help to form the perfect triangle. Alright, so here we have the measurements given here. We have 4 centimeter, 4 meter and 3 meter on the other side. So we are going to use this measurement and we are going to substitute the measurement into the given Pythagorean equation. So we have a squared is b squared plus b squared is 4 squared is equals to c squared. And the first thing you want to do is to square the side of square the sides. Alright, so we have 3 squared plus 4 squared. So 3 squared is equals to 9 and 4 squared is equals to 16. And now after this, the next step is to add the results. So 9 plus 16 is 25. So we have 25. Yeah, right. So the next step here is we are going to find the square root. So we're going to find the square root. We have c squared is equals to the square root of 25. The square root of 25 is 5. There we go. So c is equals to 5. There we go. So our final answer is 5 meters. So the length of the rope to form a perfect triangle, the length of the rope is 5 meters. There we go.